Var asterisk in function arguments. What does a var asterisk in the arguments of a function do? When I looked at the pickle module, I see this. I know about a single and double asterisk preceding arguments, for variable number of arguments, but this precedes nothing. And I'm pretty sure this has nothing to do with pickle. That's probably just an example of this happening. I only learned its name when I sent this to the interpreter. If it matters, I'm on Python 3.3.0.
Var is used to force the caller to use named arguments, so you cannot define a function with as an argument when you have no following keyword arguments. See this answer or Python 3 documentation for more details. While the original answer answers the question completely, just adding a bit of related information. The behavior for the single asterisk derives from PEP 3102. Quoting the related section. In simple English, it means that to pass the value for key, you will need to explicitly pass it as key equals value.
The above example with corgs.
Semantically, it means the arguments following it are keyword only, so you will get an error if you try to provide an argument without specifying its name. For example, pragmatically, it means you have to call the function with a keyword argument. It's usually done when it would be hard to understand the purpose of the argument without the hint given by the argument's name. Compare for example sorted nums, reverse equals true, versus if you wrote sorted nums, true. The latter would be much less readable, so the Python developers chose to make you write it the former way.
You want to see what percentage to say?